Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 3 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Today I am going to teach you Chapter 7, Chia's Big Plant, Measurement. This is the story of two friends, Chia and Sumit. Today they are visiting their favorite place, where they usually come for plantations. Let's see their conversation.
Chia, look, that small plant you planted on your birthday last year has become a big tree.
Yes, when it was planted, it was only about 75 centimeters. Now it looks taller. Can you guess its height?
No, I cannot.
Students like Chia and Sumit, we all should do the plantation, as without trees our lives are not possible. Have you observed how the spirit of the plantation and the height of the tree spark the knowledge of measurement in Sumit and Chia? Let's dive into the amazing world of measurement. Measurement of length.
I have one book and one pen. How can I tell which one is longer?
To know which one is longer, you need to measure their length. Length is the measurement of an object or thing from one end to another. To measure small things such as a book or pen, we use the smaller unit of centimeters. To measure the length of a dupatta or a hall, we use the bigger unit of a meter. A meter is the standard unit of length used to measure longer objects. We can measure the length of different things by using different tools like a ruler, scale, meter rod, and inch tape. To measure long distances such as distance from house to mall or railway station and distance between two cities, we use the unit kilometer. Remember, the short form of centimeter is cm, the short form of meter is m, and the short form of kilometer is km. Conversion of units of length, meters to centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Let us see the relation between meter and centimeter from the examples. Example: convert 23 meters to centimeters. To convert the meter to centimeters, we will follow the following formula. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, 23 meters is equal to 23 multiplied by 100 centimeters is equal to 2300 centimeters. Thus, 23 meters is equal to 2300 centimeters. Centimeters to meters. Let's convert centimeters to meters. Example: convert 300 centimeters to meters. As we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So, 300 centimeters is equal to 300 divided by 100 meters, equal to 3 meters. Thus, 300 centimeters is equal to 3 meters. Converting kilometer to meter. क्या तुम जानते हो, हम मीटर और सेंटीमीटर की तरह किलोमीटर और मीटर को भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. As we know, kilometer and meter are used to measure the long distance. And to convert kilometer to meter, we use the formula 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Let us learn how to convert kilometers to meters from an example. Example: convert 3 kilometers to meters. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, 3 kilometers is equal to 3 kilometers multiplied by 1000 meters. which is equal to 3000 meters. Thus, 3 kilometers equal to 3000 meters. Converting meters to kilometers. Let's learn how to convert meters to kilometers from an example. Convert 5432 meters to kilometers. 5432 meters is equal to 5000 meters plus 432 meters. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. To convert 5000 meters to kilometers, we will divide it by 1000. 5000 meters divided by 1000 kilometers plus 432 meters is equal to 5 kilometers plus 432 meters. Thus, 5432 meters is equal to 5 kilometers and 432 meters. मतलब किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई और मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1000 से डिवाइड करते हैं. Measurement of mass.
Today in school, the teacher took our weight and noted it. My weight is 23 kilogram and 550 grams. What are kilogram and gram?
Weight is how heavy someone or something is. Different weighing machines or balances are used to measure weight and mass. Weight is usually measured in kilograms, grams and milligrams. Your weight is 23 kilograms and 550 grams, which means your weight is 550 grams more than 23 kilograms. For measuring the weight of very small objects or quantities like the weight of a toothpick or a paperclip, we use a smaller unit of milligrams. For measuring the weight of small objects or small quantities like the weight of an orange or a plastic bottle, we use a bigger unit of grams. Gram is the standard unit of measurement for weight. For measuring the weight of heavy objects like the weight of our body or our bicycle, we use the unit of kilograms. In short form, a milligram is written as mg, a gram is written as g, and a kilogram is written as kg.
मतलब किलोग्राम बहुत हेवी आइटम्स के लिए, ग्राम थोड़े कम वेट वाले आइटम्स के लिए और मिलीग्राम बहुत ही हल्के वेट के लिए यूज होता है.
Conversion of units of weight, kilogram to gram. Students, do you know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms? Let us learn it from an example. Example: I have 3 kilograms of apples and 4 kilograms and 730 grams of watermelon. Let's convert them into grams. As we know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So, 3 kilograms is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000 grams, which is equal to 3000 grams. And 4 kilograms and 730 grams are equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 grams plus 730 grams equals to 4000 grams plus 730 grams equal to 4730 grams. Thus, I have 3000 grams of apples and 4730 grams of watermelon. Gram to kilogram. Let's learn the conversion of gram to kilogram. To convert the grams to kilograms, we divide the given mass by 1000. Let us learn it from an example. Convert 6809 grams to kilograms. 6809 grams is equal to 6000 grams plus 809 grams. As we know, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 6000 grams is equal to 6000 grams divided by 1000 kilograms plus 809 grams is equal to 6 kilograms plus 809 grams. Thus, 6809 grams is equal to 6 kilograms and 809 grams. Measurement of capacity.
How can we know how much liquid a container holds?
The amount of liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity. Let's learn it from the given image of containers. Can you tell which container can hold more water?
I think the bottle is bigger, so it will hold more water.
You are right. For measuring smaller quantities of liquid, like the amount of an eye drop or a cup of tea, we use milliliters. For measuring larger quantities of liquid, like the amount of water in a tank or petrol in a car, we use liters. Liter is the standard unit of measurement for liquid. Remember, in short form, a milliliter is written as ml, a liter is written as L. Conversion of units of capacity. Liter to milliliter. Let's learn how to convert liters to milliliters and milliliters to liters. The relationship between milliliters and liters is that 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Here is an example to illustrate this relationship. Example: convert 7 liters to milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, to find out how many milliliters are in 7 liters, multiply the number of liters by 1000. So, 7 liters is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 7000 milliliters. Thus, 7 liters is equal to 7000 milliliters. Students, now see the conversion of milliliters to liters. To convert milliliters to liters, divide the given capacity in milliliters by 1000. Let us learn from an example. Convert 6000 milliliters to liters. As far as we know, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So, divide 6000 milliliters by 1000. After dividing 6000 milliliters by 1000 liters, the answer will be 6 liters. Thus, 6000 milliliters is equal to 6 liters. Addition and subtraction of different measurement units.
Yesterday, a few guests came to my home. My mother prepared 3 liters 232 milliliters of orange juice and 2 liters 267 milliliters of strawberry juice. What is the total amount of both?
To find the total amount of juice, we will add quantities of both by following these steps. Step 1. Arrange both the quantities in liter and milliliter columns. Step 2. As we know, addition always starts with a smaller place value, so we will start the addition from one's place in milliliters. Step 3. Add 2 and 7 and we get 9. Write 9 at the ones in the milliliters column. Step 4. Add 3 and 6 and we get 9. Write 9 at the tens in the milliliters column. Step 5. Add 2 and 2 and we get 4. Write 4 at the hundreds in the milliliters column. Step 6. Add 3 and 2 and we get 5. Write 5 at the liters column. Thus, the total amount of both juices is 5 liters 499 milliliters.
explain to me how to do the subtraction of measurement units.
Let's learn from one example. The length of two wires is 52 meters 38 centimeters and 22 meters 22 centimeters respectively. Which wire is longer and by how much? To find which wire is longer and by how much, we will subtract the lengths of both by following these steps. Step 1. Arrange the bigger unit of length first, then the smaller unit below it in meter and centimeter columns. Step 2. As we know, subtraction always starts with a smaller place value, so we will start the subtraction from ones place in centimeters. Step 3. Subtract 2 from 8 and we get 6. Write 6 at the ones in the centimeters column. Step 4. Subtract 2 from 3 and we get 1. Write 1 at the tens in the centimeters column. Step 5. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. Write 0 at the ones in the meters column. Step 6. Subtract 2 from 5 and we get 3. Write 3 at the tens in the meters column. Thus, wire A is longer and the difference between the wires' lengths is 30 meters and 16 centimeters. Students, in this chapter, you have learnt about measurement of length, conversion of units of length, measurement of mass, conversion of units of weight, measurement of capacity, conversion of units of capacity, and addition and subtraction of different measurement units. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Woodapple Resources.